Hey guys, it's Charles here with Liquid Blue Cabarete, and I'm doing a little quick tip video on how to maintain your foil. So basically, most people now in the market, they have some sort of foil that's made out of aluminum. Very few use full carbon, just because the price is different and it's also harder to come across in the market right now because there's not that much production. But in any case, whenever you're using aluminum with these stainless steel screws, you need to do some sort of basic maintenance. Rinsing it with water, yeah, that's gonna help with fresh water, though you're gonna have to maybe do a little bit more. And one thing I've noticed, for example, here on this foil, we got 2 screws here, we got 2 screws in this Titan mast, we got 3 screws under here, and they're all going to have the chance of being seizing up if we don't do some sort of maintenance. So one thing that you can do apart from rinsing it is going to be this. And this is something we recommend to everyone that asks us about how can I better maintain my foil. But basically with these screws, if you look closely, you're going to see a bit of a whitish film on there. And what this is it's this Tef-Gel Ultra. So this is basically like marine grease, and a little goes a long way. I don't have any sort of connections with this company, but I came across them and they work really well. So basically you see it's this really thick white sort of grease, a little bit dirty because I got sand, you know, it's hard around here. And all you do is apply just a little bit. Of course, you could spread it out through it, but I just put it in like this. Put that in, and then I'll just tighten this up. And basically that little bit of grease down there is gonna help me have a lower chance of seizing of the screws with less maintenance. Of course, I want to continue to do maintenance, but just this right here, this little pot, I think it costs like $20, $30 on Amazon. It's gonna save you the chance of having screws get stripped, break inside, and essentially it costs you money, time, and that's no fun in general. So make sure you do take care of your foil equipment because they cost a lot of money and they are susceptible to damages of all sorts. So making sure you do some basic little maintenance routine is going to be ideal to making sure you keep the longevity of your equipment. In any case, guys, this is Ultra Tef-Gel. Maybe we'll put a link in the bottom. And this is just one way of maintaining and protecting your equipment. And you can use this on anything that is basically screws. So if it's carbon to carbon, a little bit different, but if it's definitely carbon to, or if it's stainless steel to aluminum, then you want to make sure, like metal to metal, then you want to make sure that you're protecting it and you're maintaining it, or else it's going to seize up. I've heard about screws getting stuck in there. You got to drill them out, or they strip the coil, and this is no fun. So anyways, this is Charles Ostling with Liquid Blue Cabarete. Hope you have a great day, and maybe see you out there.